If you want to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we want to scroll down a little bit and you should be able to find Wallpaper and Style. Once you go to Wallpaper and Style, then you should be able to tap on Change Wallpapers, and then you can simply choose whichever wallpaper you want to use on your phone. So let's say I'm going to choose this one as an example. In this case, I need to download it and then I can select it again. Then you can decide if you want to apply the wallpaper on the lock screen or home screen or both. If you want to uncheck something, you can just tap on this screen. Let's say I'm going to set it up for both of these screens and go next. There we go. Now you might also be able to zoom in and zoom out in some cases. In this case, I use one of the default wallpapers. Unfortunately, I cannot make much changes. And sometimes at the bottom of the screen, you can find some additional options that you can, of course, use. You can also tap on this home button or the lock button in order to switch between the home screen and lock screen preview. And once you are done with the wallpaper, once you set it up, just tap on Done in the upper right corner. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.